In this video, we'll talk about questions 28 through 30 of the final exam review. So in question 28, it asks to find the domain and range of the relation. So keep in mind that the domain is the set of x values, and the range is the set of y values. So to find the domain, I'm just going to list all of the x values, and they are 9, -7, and -5. They don't have to be in numerical order. They can be, but they don't have to be. And the range is the set of y values. So in this case, the y values are all the same, so I just have to list that value once. So I have one element in my range and 3 elements in the domain, and that's the end of that problem. Now let's take a look at question 29. This asks whether the relation is also a function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a set of axes, and then I'm going to plot all of these points. Okay, so I'm ready to plot my first point, which is -2, 2. That's going to be about here. And then we have 2, -2. That's going to be about here. And so what I'm looking for is if there are 2 points that line up vertically. So 2 points that have the same x value and different y values. And if I do have that, then the relation is not a function. 4, 9 would be right about there. Oh, it's 4, -9. 4, -9 is going to be down there. And then we have 8, -5, and that's going to be roughly about there. And then 10, -2. Now you don't have to be worried about being super precise here, because what you'll do is if it looks like 2 points might line up, then you just check their their x values and see if the x values are the same. So if that's the case, then the relation is not a function, and if we have all different x values, which we do in this case, then the relation is a function. So I would say the relation is a function because all the x values are different. So it's not really necessary to create the graph. Personally, I find it a lot easier to draw the graph, plot the points, and then I can see there's no way to draw a vertical line through 2 points at the same time. And then I know the relation is a function. But really, you just have to check the x values, -2, 2, 4, 8, and 10. They're all different. It's a function. So that was 29. Now in 30, it asks us to determine whether the graph is the graph of a function. So I'm going to do a similar thing to what I did in 29. I look to see, is there any way to draw a vertical line and hit the graph at 2 points? And there is. So we would say this is not a function because it violates the vertical line test. And that's how you do those problems.